I think I'm going to go ahead and trim this body a little bit more. So I'll probably end up trimming off these fenders and then possibly coming out a little bit more to cut out to there. And then I'll go ahead and trim this back one off. And then I'll probably follow this body line this way. And here to trim off that right there. Okay, so after trimming off a lot of stuff from the body, the back panel, the fenders, the front fenders here, the rear fenders here, trimming all that stuff off, I think we got the shape we're looking for. So you can see now that front tire has a lot more clearance in the back, and I just went ahead and just trimmed everything on the back of the bed off in the rear. I like it. All right, we are gonna go for a hot rod look with this vehicle. So my idea is red paint with maybe a couple of racing stripes on it. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna put on the window masks. I've masked off the lower section, and the windows of course have been masked, and I also masked off the bed area. And so what's exposed, I'm thinking is going to be white or red. I haven't decided, and the other color would be the lower part, the red or the white. So right now I'm leaning towards the top area being white and the lower area being red, all the way down and around. And it is the next morning, and there is the body so far. So we have our top color on there, which is white, and it is fully dry. And then our next step is to pull this tape off and paint from this transition line down another color, which is probably going to be red. And then in the bed here, the last color that we'll do is black. So yeah, let's finish off this paint job. All right, so we just came back from applying the second color, and first of all, I'm not real thrilled about this color combination. If I had reversed the colors and put red on top and white on bottom, it might have been better, but it just, I don't know, it just didn't look right. But unfortunately, if you could see there in the camera, the white color started lifting as soon as I applied the red, so there was some sort of really bad chemical reaction in there. So right there in the bed as well too, little other spots there, and some really horrible fish eyes were coming through that door. So it looks like my choice was made for me on you know, whether I was going to give this thing a patina paint job or not. But that might be my last option, is to sand off as much as I can on the inside and paint it a rusty base coat, and then paint it on the outside like I did all the other paint jobs. I guess this is part of the hobby. Sometimes you mess up, and you just got to go from there. So we'll see what we can come up with this.